to Eagle Learning Academy. Today we are going to learn about teeth and tongue. So now we will start our today's session, which is about teeth and tongue. So friends, our teeth are a very important part of our body. They give proper shape to our face. They help us in biting and chewing food. They help us to speak clearly. There are so many words which we cannot say without our teeth. So teeth are very important. Now we will see temporary teeth. A newborn baby does not have any teeth. When the baby is 6 to 11 months old, teeth begin to appear. By the age of 3, the child has a set of 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. This is the information about temporary teeth. There are set of 20 milk teeth or temporary teeth, 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw in the babies. Now we will see permanent teeth. When the child is 6 years old, it starts loosening these milk teeth. As the milk teeth fall out, this new set of teeth is called permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. By the time the child is 12 to 13 years old, all the permanent teeth grow. These teeth come out between the age of 20 and 30. These teeth are called permanent teeth, which are grown in the age of 12 to 30. Adults have a set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Total, the permanent teeth are 32. Now we will see structure of the tooth. When we open our mouth and look in a mirror, we see our teeth. Teeth are hard, strong and bony structures fixed firmly in the upper and lower jaws. Our teeth grow out of our soft pink gums. Gums hold our teeth firmly. Now we will see structure of the tooth. The portion of the tooth seen above the gum is called the crown of the tooth. The portion of the tooth inside the gum, which we cannot see, is called the root of the tooth. Here is given the structure of tooth. Inside the structure of tooth, it includes crown, root, enamel. Enamel is the hardest material of our body. Dentine, pulp, blood vessels, gums and nerves are also shown in this figure. Friends, till now we have learned that what are permanent teeth, what are temporary teeth, and temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth, and we have seen there are how many types of teeth. So friends, there are 4 kinds of teeth. When we look at our teeth in the mirror, we see that there are different sizes and shape. There are 4 kinds of teeth, that are incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Incisors. There are 4 front teeth in each jaw. They have sharp and straight edges. They are used to cut and bite the food. They are also called as cutting teeth. Canines. There are 2 canines in each jaw. They are present on the either side of the incisors. They are very sharp and pointed like a fork. They help in tearing the food. For this reason, they are also called as tearing teeth. Premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. They are next to canines. They are broad and flat teeth. These teeth help us in cracking food. They are also called cracking teeth. Next to premolars, there are molars. Molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to premolars. They are broader than premolars. They help us in grinding the food. They are also called the grinding teeth. There are molars in the milk teeth, but there are not premolars present in milk teeth. Milk teeth, also called as temporary teeth, includes 8 incisors, 4 canines, and 8 molars. Milk teeth are total 20. Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth includes 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars. Total permanent teeth are 32. Friends, till now we have learned that how many premolars are in permanent teeth, how many molars are in temporary teeth, and information about teeth. Now we will see special facts about teeth. Friends, did you know that before toothbrushes were invented, humans used twigs to clean their teeth? The first toothbrush was invented in China and had a bone or bamboo handle with boar bristles inserted into small holes with a wire. In most parts of rural India, people still use neem twigs and meswak twigs to clean their teeth. Friends, one more special fact is that humans spend 38.5 days of their lifetime in brushing their teeth. And like fingerprints, toothprints are also unique to each person, and so dental records are kept to identify the people.